Hey everybody, Some Gadget Guy here, somegadgetguy.com with a quick viewer question. 500 EMBO is asking how you can play web video and audio in the background of a Windows 8 tablet. Now, if you're familiar with Windows 8, you know that when you use Internet Explorer within the Modern or Metro UI, we pull this up, and it's the Internet Explorer where it's got the little search bar down at the bottom, not the tabs at the top, that when you go and play video or audio from this browser, like, it plays just fine while you've got it up on the screen, or if you split screen it. As long as you keep it up on the display somewhere, it's going to work just fine. But when you go back to the desktop, it stops playing. And that's really frustrating. So say you've got music on Spotify or Pandora or Google Play Music, and you want to have that playing in the background. You don't need to have Internet Explorer up front and center to be playing audio, and you want to have something else like Reddit and Facebook up at the same time. Since you can only have two apps on the screen, you have to give up your Internet Explorer. That means you're going to have to give up your music and audio playback. But the nice thing about Windows 8 is we still have the old traditional desktop. Now on Windows RT, I think the desktop isn't particularly useful. I mean, really the main reasons why you would come to the desktop would be to use Office or to do like a little, file management, because I think file management's a little easier to move stuff around in this old traditional PC layout than on the new modern UI right now. And so this can often feel a little schizophrenic, moving back and forth between, modern live tiles and the old school desktop. But that schizophrenia can actually work to our advantage here if we pull up Internet Explorer on the old school desktop. So we pull that up here, and we come up here and we go to YouTube. And we're going to go to the official YouTube site. And we're going to go to the same video that I had before, Night of the Living Dead. And I'm using Night of the Living Dead because it's public domain, and hopefully Google won't freak out with some sort of copyright violation like they are wont to do. Also, if you've just never seen the movie 1968, completely redefined what the zombie genre meant to us, George Romero's awesome classic, and you can watch it totally for free legally online. But, getting back into what we're doing here for the review, if I play audio from here, and so I can move the traditional desktop split screen if I want to do that, or I can just go all the way home. And the audio's still playing in the background. So if I'm streaming Spotify or Pandora or Google Play Music, and I use the web browser from the traditional desktop, then I am able to keep audio playing in the background, especially streaming audio, streaming video services playing in the background. And I don't have to give that up if I go back to the modern UI and pull up Facebook. I can have Facebook full screen. I don't have to give up half the screen just for audio that I don't need to be looking at any kind of video corresponding with it. And that's just a really cool byproduct of keeping this old traditional desktop intact, even on the RT tablets. It's a benefit. I'm sure it's not intended that Microsoft, had any idea that that's what people were going to be doing with Internet Explorer on the old desktop, but it at least helps us with functionality on Windows RT. So 500 DMBO, I hope that answered your question. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. You guys have been awesome getting my videos out there on the Googles Plus and Facebook and Twitter, and I really appreciate it. All of that discussion and chatter means I'll be able to bring you even more cool videos, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews, and I will catch you all on the next video.